Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by correcting the basics because underwater footage usually has green/blue casts and crushed contrast. Open Lumetri and use basic correction to set white balance. Pick a neutral patch or use temp/tint sliders until skin or white looks natural. Once done, adjust exposure and contrast to recover highlights and shadow detail. Make small moves, then check waveform and parade for clipping. Make sure saturation is modestly increased. That preserves hue relationships for the color grade that follows. Next, you shape color selectively so subjects pop without losing water atmosphere. Go to curves, lift midtones slightly, and use hue vs sat to reduce excessive cyan or boost warm areas. Then use HSL secondary to key skin tones, refine the key with matte tools, and soften with a feathered mask to avoid halos. Once the selection is clean, slightly warm the highlights and desaturate greens. Use the creative section last. Apply a subtle LUT or adjust vibrance and sharpen, but keep finish by matching and exporting. You want consistent color across cuts. Use comparison view and color match to copy reference frames, then tweak manually with secondary keys if needed. Check scopes again, ensure no clipped channels and aim for safe broadcast levels. Export to Rec. 709 for web or a wide gamut for HDR delivery. If you see banding or noise, apply a gentle denoise before heavy grading, or add subtle grain to mask banding. When things go wrong, back off saturation and contrast to restore detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.